Hey, what up YouTube? So this is going to be part 5 of the K20 Type R Honda Civic, and today we're going to just be adding a couple things that I got. I got some Megan race headers we're going to be installing. We're going to be throwing the half shaft on here. Gonna probably install, I got the alternator I got to put back on, and then I got my pulley kit, so I'll show you guys that as well. And then I got a clutch line kit as well, so we'll be installing the clutch line and the slave cylinder. Maybe get that bled for now. Other than that, I did get it back on its wheels for now, just because it looked tacky with it sitting on the ground like that. So I ordered some other parts. I still have to get the inner tie or the outer tie rods, and then also we're gonna have to get another wiring harness because I have to use that for the CRX this week that passed by. So I gotta get another harness. Other than that, yeah, we're just gonna be doing the basics, and I'm gonna be throwing on the throttle cable and throttle body as well. I'm gonna take this one off since the throttle body I'm running is gonna be a K24, so it bolts right up to the RBC manifold with no problems. Other than that, yeah, that's what we'll be doing most of this video. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the alternator, which is just 3 simple bolts, and then we'll be putting our pulley kit on, so we can have our belt, everything ready to go. So that'll be finished. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out right now, and then we'll come back. All right, so now that we're back, I can show you what I did. So got my alternator on, just 3 12mm bolts. There's 2 at the bottom, 1 at top. This is my k20a. I wanted to try them just to test them out to see how good and reliable they are. One thing I would say, when you're using anything like this aftermarket, make sure you put like some blue Loctite on this, and then right here especially. I'm pretty sure the vibrations will knock them loose. It's not like this is a lock nut, so that is one thing I would take precaution on. Belt seems pretty good, so it's all tightened up. I put it on like basically the top setting. There's like 2 marks left. Let me see if you can see it right there, but I think that's basically as far as it goes up. So now what's next is we got our clutch line, which is we're gonna be eliminating this line right here, the rest of it, and just running the new line all the way down here. And then as you can see, our Megan racing headers. As far as performance wise, they're really good. I mean, they're not the best fitment, because they come out really far out, and but they work. I mean, they're really cheap headers. I paid like $180 for them, so for power and what you get for a K-swap, it's definitely worth it. So right now we're gonna go ahead and drop these 2 items on, and then we'll come back, show you that, and then see what else we're gonna do next. Probably the throttle body. So let's go ahead and knock these out, and then we'll come back and show you what we did. All right, so now that we're back, I can show you that we got our slave cylinder on here with our clutch line all ready to get pumped, so we can get some pressure in there, but we'll do that another day. And we got our headers on, so you guys can see the clearance. EKK2 mounts make a huge difference as far as header clearance and everything, but yeah, they fit in there really good. It looks nice. It's starting to look like an engine. So right now I got the throttle body adapter taken off to install the K24 throttle body on here. You'll see that it bolts straight up, and then we're going to install the half shaft. So these are the half shaft bolts. As you can see, they're tapered. So the taper bolts are the ones that line straight up. They go straight up and down, and then the other bolt by itself just takes a regular bolt like this, so it's not tapered. So try not to get those confused, because you will strip those as well. So we're gonna go ahead and put the half shaft on so I can have that ready for the axles in the next video. We're gonna put our throttle body on here, and then we're gonna start deleting some things. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this right here, so I can put the thermostat adapter, which I'll show you guys in a little bit after I install it, and then clean up some of this right here, clean these up, delete this, and that'll probably be the finish for this video right here. Well, I have to order some more parts, and work on some other cars anyway. So luckily I got a little time today. So we'll go ahead throw the throttle body on, half shaft, and then delete some stuff, and then we'll come back and show you what we did. All right guys, so we are back, and I want to show you what we will go ahead and finish off this video with. So I went and got the cord throttle body on here. I believe it has to be a 5-speed, because if you get the automatic one, it will hit right here. So make sure you get the 5-speed one. Also went and got my temperature sensor installed right now. So I blocked that off with this is the adapter that comes. They're like 12 bucks on eBay. And I went and installed the half shaft. So if you're wondering what half shaft this is off of 06 to 11 SI. You can get 02 to 05 as well SI, or 02 to 06 RSX. Just make sure they're stick. Other than that, guys, that's probably gonna be it for this video. I gotta order some more parts I'm just waiting for and stuff. So next video will probably be doing the radiator and all the coolant lines, doing the heater hoses. We're gonna go ahead and drop the shift linkage in here, show you how to drill the hole where it goes under the tunnel, so you can just run it kind of almost like a factory car. Hopefully we can have a harness. If not, that'll probably be on the next 2 videos. But yeah, we're probably gonna do, like I said, the radiator. We'll probably do fuel too as well. So fuel, shift linkage, radiator and hoses, and maybe harness. But those will be the main next things that we need to do. So if you haven't liked, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification if you want to see the uploads I do as soon as I upload them. I will hit you guys up on the comments. Sorry I don't get to them as fast as I can, because sometimes I don't even get the notifications, and then sometimes I'm just looking at my YouTube studio and I can, see them. But I will be hitting you guys up. So if you haven't, just let me know what you guys think. Hit the comment, and I'll see you guys next time.